My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Audi S3. This vehicle has done just over 59,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving onto our screen, we can access settings, Audi smartphone, Audi Connect, map, navigation, telephone, media, radio, sound and car. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. If we press our drive select button, we can switch between efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.